early Wednesday morning, March 1st. And there have been huge thunderstorms all over this area. And I just saw the biggest lightning ever. I was hoping I could catch it again. And we'll see. Okay, there's some. The power keeps going out in the house right now. Yeah, I'm hoping we won't have to go down in the basement. We'll see. Yeah, we're getting it good now. Getting some good lightning. I just saw it. There we go. Come on. This is Mountain View, Arkansas, and we had a tornado watch that ended, so hopefully we're okay there. Really don't want to spend the night in the basement, but we'll do it if we have to. Ooh, there you go. I have to do a tapestry of this view, all black with some little bit of light. Oh, there we go. Kaboom. It's dark. I can't see a thing. Hang on. Go this way. Let's see what we get this way. It's outside our bedroom. There we go. Woo! We'd never see a tornado, I'm afraid. We would just have to hope it's not coming. Oh boy, something's going on. I'm going in. Look out, Lily. Nick? Honey? Nick?